Uber versus Waymo versus Cruise. Which self-driving car is safest in the USA? Let's first talk about Uber. Uber safety. Uber's direct involvement in developing and deploying its own self-driving cars has largely ceased. While Uber is no longer developing its own self-driving cars, it is now forming partnerships with other autonomous vehicle companies such as May Mobility. The 2018 fatal accident highlighted critical safety lapses, including disabled emergency braking and a distracted safety driver. Second, let's talk about Waymo. Waymo, formerly Google's self-driving car project, has accumulated millions of real-world autonomous miles and billions of miles in simulation. Waymo has released studies, some peer-reviewed, suggesting their self-driving cars are significantly better than human drivers at avoiding certain types of non-fatal accidents. Waymo is currently the only company in the US with regulatory approval to operate the commercial fleet of fully self-driving cars without safety drivers. Lastly, let's talk about Cruise. Cruise, a subsidiary of General Motors, has faced significant setbacks and scrutiny regarding its safety record. Safety ratings prior to the October 2023 incident. Some studies suggested Cruise had a considerably high crash rate rather than Waymo. As of late 2024 and into 2025, Cruise's operations remain significantly curtailed as they work to address safety concerns and regain public trust. Overall, based on current public information, Waymo has demonstrated the most robust and seemingly safest self-driving car technology in the USA.